Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. In this video, I'm doing some pretty simple but gorgeous alcohol ink and resin coasters. And I'm going with rainbow colors for this because I like a lot of like really bright colors and I think it's just very pretty. I'm using mostly Ranger alcohol inks. I think these work best for this technique, just the way that they flow and how transparent they are and the colors. This is my preferred alcohol ink for this, but you can use a variety of alcohol inks. You just have to try them to see how they flow. I am using one Pinata color, which is that yellow, and the rest are Ranger. So I'm using a pink, red, a yellow, a green, a blue, and a purple. And then I'm also using a Pinata white. I'm putting the colors directly onto my mold. There's no resin or anything else in here yet, which is how you can see they're kind of beading up. That's because it's just alcohol ink directly on a silicone mold with nothing else in there. If there was resin in there already, it would not look like this at all. And I put the white in the center, and just a little note about this white. I was just about out, so I added a little bit of isopropyl alcohol to my bottle. So the white is actually a little more watered down than I would have liked. It didn't quite have the effect that I wanted, but it still really helped to make this beautiful. When you're doing this, you want to have your resin mixed up before you start with your alcohol inks because you want to put resin in immediately before the alcohol inks have time to dry. I'm using Mixed Media Girl Artist resin, and these coasters don't take a lot. They really just take like a couple ounces each, and I'm not filling them up all the way because I do like to also put some clear resin on the bottom to fully seal in those alcohol inks. So I like to pour directly in the middle and pour very slowly and let the resin settle. And then you might be worried that I didn't put enough ink, but if you're familiar with alcohol inks and resin, the inks actually move towards the center as it is curing. So you can see I really sped this part up here, but those inks are just slowly moving in. And here's how they look dry. So resin cures to the touch within about 24 hours, then they can be demolded. And I think these are just gorgeous. I would have preferred a little more white in there, and I think that would have given some really cool effects, but I still love them. And these are raised coasters, so typically you would use them on this side, but you could use them on either side if you would like. It's totally up to you. And of course, use any colors that you would like as well. I just thought these were really fun with these bright rainbow colors. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you all next time.